Hey guys, it's Nick Turner with the Alan Turner Home Team. I'm standing outside of 120 Lindbergh Drive in the heart of Atlanta, right here in the Garden Hills, Peachtree Heights neighborhood. I'm going to be hosting an open house here this Sunday, June 14th from 2 to 4 p.m. I want you to come out and check it out. Be the first people to come get a look inside. I mean, it's a beautiful home. Take a look. 1930s, just gorgeous front, back. You can see this huge sunroom right here in the front of the house. There's another huge sunroom in the back. We get tons of natural light all in this place. Hardwood flooring throughout. It's 3-bed, 2-bath on the main floor, and then the finished basement also has a bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchenette down there as well. Just a really cool, unique house. You're gonna love it. I'm right here, like I said, at 120 Lindbergh Drive in Atlanta. I got Peachtree Street just to the right of me, and I got Piedmont just down the road to the left. Man, it's a perfect location. You're close to everything. How could you say no to that? So come check me out this Sunday, June 14th from 2 to 4 p.m. I'll see you here. That's 120 Lindbergh Drive in Atlanta, and it's listed at $649,900. We'll see you here. Thank you.